got the Rolex.
It's not no, I'm not overthinking shit. I'm just going.
What you know about this, D? You need to get you one, man. Stop playing. No. Straight up.
It feels good. It feels free. It feels good. You know what I'm saying?
That ain't my flow, man. Oh, it ain't your flow? Too smooth, man? That's what it is, you too smooth? Nah, man, it's you. Oh, it's me. Yeah, you right, man. Making money is money, man.
You work for the cleaners, right?
Yeah.
Will you take some blows for me, please? Just a few things.
Yeah, I'll be right there.
Okay.
Go ahead.